Welcome to my channel Tech Easy Learning. Today we are going to see a topic in Linux, that is Chmod. In Unix operating system, the Chmod is used to change the access mode of the file. The abbreviation is Chmod, that is change access mode. Okay, which states that every file and directory has a set of permissions that control the permissions, like who can read, write, or execute. It helps us to give the permission. That means who can read, write, and execute. Okay. In this permission category, we have three categories. That is the read, write, and execute. That is simultaneously represented by the letters R, W, and X. Okay. These letters are combined together and form a specific permission for group of users. I will show in the Linux environment. You can understand very easily. Yeah, I am having one directory and three files. I will show it now. Normally, if you want to see the permission, you have to use the ls minus l. Then only you can see all the details. Okay, I think the files are available outside the directory. Here, for the files test1 and test2, you can see the permissions here. This is read write and read read. Okay, like that you can see the permission that is available for the user root. Here only one user is there. As it is a learning environment, we are having only one user. And real-time environment, we will be having several users. Okay. Here I will show you just how can we change the permissions. Okay. And I will briefly explain you how these permissions are being set. The change access mode command, that is chmod, is used to modify these permissions. That is, I have shown no RWX. It helps us to modify the permission so that we can grant or restrict the access to the directories or files. Either we can give access grant to the directories also. Okay. Normally, these permissions are represented by using the three-digit number. Three-digit number. Normally, after chmod, we will specify three-digit number. I will show you three-digit number, that is octal mode. Here, that 4 stands for read permission, and 2 stands for write permission, and 1 stands for the execute permission. Okay. For example, chmod 674. What is represents mean? 6, that is for read and write to the owner. Three types of peoples are there. One is owner, another one is group, another one is others. Okay. And that RW, the first RW here is this, that initial, it stands for the owner. And then second part, it stands for the group. And third, here it is stands for the home, that is for others. Okay. You have to take like this: owner, group, and then others. Here 6 RW. 6 means read and write permission given for the owner. 7 means RWX, that is for group, and 4 means read, that is for others. Okay. How we are arriving this 7, I will explain little bit, then only you can easily understand. Okay. Based on the octal number, I will explain you. 674. Here 4 2. That means read and write. RW 4 plus 2. Okay. I will show that in the notepad so that you can easily understand. Here I think you can easily understand. 6, how we are arrived means 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. This 4 stands for read and 2 stands for write. 7, how the number 7 comes means 4 plus 2 plus 1. This is 4, this is 2, this is 1. 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. And 4 stands for the read. Here the read permission. So this where this 674, we can how this number arrived is but based on this only. Okay. Then you can put 674. Then you can put the number as 674 like this. So you should understand it, the total number. Based on it only, we will be adding the numbers and subtracting it so that you can easily give that permission, that access mode to the group, owner, and others. See, the file has been changed to green color and it shows RWX, RWX, RWX. That means read, write, and execute, read, write, and execute, read, write, and execute. I have given chmod 777. 777 stands for the read, write, and execute for all group, owner, and others. Normally, in real-time environment, if your manager asks you to create one file and give permission to all means, you should change your file to chmod 777 so that the permission will be granted to all of the members in your group, all groups, and as well as the owner. Okay, so that everybody can access the file. Here the initial stands for the directory. Here there is one space available, no hyphen. Still it is not changed. That is for directory. This is file. If it is directory, it starts with D. This is the file, so there is no letter called D. This is the way you have to change the permission, and I will show you for 755 also. See, then the color has got changed. Now I have changed the permission for test 1 to 755. That means owner can read, write, and execute. Group can read and execute. He cannot write. And others can also read and execute. He cannot write. How the 755 number is arrived, I will show you now. Normally, if you write any shell scripts or any you are having important file, you can change the permission to 755 so that other can read and execute and they cannot edit the file. Only the owner can read, write, and execute. So that change mode number is 755. 755 and 777 is the very often used this permission in the real-time environment. Okay. And I will be coming with some more options like this. And if you want to explore the entire options is a lot of options are there along with this in this chmod. For that, you can refer to the Linux or Unix manual. Okay. See, here I have used chmod minus v that shows the how the permission, it shows message actually mode of test to change it from 0644 to 0777. You can use this minus v for your initial learning purpose so that you can easily understand how the change access mode is working. Thanks. Bye. We will see in the next video.